In a lively jungle, sunbeams danced through emerald leaves. A curious cub ventured forth, her heart filled with wonder. She discovered dazzling creatures everywhere. Each new friend sang and sparkled, making her giggle with delight. Suddenly, the sky darkened. The wind howled and a storm brewed on the horizon, wrapping the jungle in anxious whispers. Among the leaves, frightened frogs shivered. The storm threatened their cozy home, and worry filled the air. Without thinking, she dashed to help. The storm raged, and her heart raced faster than her paws could run. Oops! A loud crash echoed. The tree tumbled, sealing off the way to safety for the trembling amphibians. From above, a colorful friend flew. With keen eyes, he searched for a way to guide them through the rising waters. Steady and thoughtful, a wise old friend approached. Patience and wit can help us find a way. Huddled together, they hatched a plan. With courage and cleverness, they began to dig a new path. Suddenly, her paws unearthed something magical. A sparkling treasure lay hidden, shimmering with promise. Together, they crafted a safe haven. Elevated and strong, it would keep their froggy friends safe from the storm. At last, the sun shone bright. Disasters had turned into hope, and for a moment, joy echoed through the jungle.